Like, can you see my shirt?
Yeah, I could see. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Rogue Radar. This is Bill and Brian, and we just wanted to submit something on Friday. Hopefully it gives you something interesting to think about. Read the disclaimers. We're not financial advisors. We wanted to talk briefly about natural gas. It looks like we've had quite a range. We went from 940 down to 820 in the last 2 days. Obviously, a lot happened yesterday with storage coming out and NYMEX settle. The contract today for July has a pretty wide range of about 60 cents. So from 889 to 828 and then back up. This 837 level is a key level and it did not hold. However, 899 did not hold when it tried to push above that the previous 2 days. So one thing we wanted to touch on briefly is a lot of people are watching storage. We did have a end of season storage video. You can take a look in our archive and take a look, or reach out to us, rogue@energyrogue.com. That's ROGUE. So working natural gas storage is sitting about 1.8 TCF. The things that I'm looking at right now are the East. Midwest looks good. Mountain looks good. Pacific. The East and Pacific are setting new 5-year minimums. That's going to be important. It's important for basis. The South, I say these are okay, but they are still shading to the minimum side. And again, for end of season, take a look at our video. Bill, what are you thinking this week?
So the reason is that we look at the East and the West is because that's high usage areas. And so being low on storage there can cause some pretty interesting changes locally in their markets. And so I think what we're seeing here is that we're seeing, even with the increase of rigs, we can't keep up with demand, which is an interesting thought process, Brian, that we'll go into a longer video at some other time. So I think you're going to see some price action, certainly in the basis area and on the East and the West, but it's going to affect the whole country and will eventually hit the NYMEX. But it's more of I think that is a fundamental move, and we're seeing more technical moves later. But we'll talk more about that at a later date. Okay. So what I see is I'm with that deal, I'm still bullish on natural gas, whereas I think you might still be bearish.
That's right. I'm still hanging on to the bearish view. I've been
wrong. I'm going to get you a bear rug or something.
Yeah, I've been wrong, and I just don't see the fundamental backing for support at this level. So if we had more LNG export capacity, I would change my mind. But anyhow, thanks for joining us. Appreciate you stopping by with us, and comment down below. Let us know what you think, and we're here to help. Energy.
And have a good holiday weekend.
Have a great holiday weekend, and thank you for your service. If you are in the military or have anybody in your family in the military, thank you. We greatly appreciate it.